how to see where any X Twitter account was created or based in. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view the About This Account section on X, formerly known as Twitter. This feature lets you see details like where an account is based, how many times the username is changed, and even what device they're using. Follow along step by step, and you'll be checking any account's info in no time. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the X app on your phone, or go to the website on your browser. Then, go to the profile of the account you want to check. Next, tap on the Joined Date or the small right arrow next to it. This will open the About This Account section, showing you all the account details. Here, you'll see the date joined, where an account is based in, whether it's verified, the number of times the username has changed, and the device or platform they're connected from. If there's a shield icon next to the location, it usually means the account is connected through a proxy or VPN, which can change the country or region shown. Keep in mind, some internet providers automatically use proxies, so this doesn't always mean the user is hiding anything. And that's it. Now you know how to easily view the About This Account section for any account on X, giving you a better understanding of profiles at a glance.